Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you all my recipe for a shrimp pizza. It's been inspired by the Mario's shrimp pizza that is in season right now. So to start, I'm going in with some warm water into a big bowl, some salt, some sugar, some olive oil, and some yeast. We want to mix those ingredients together, allow those ingredients to dissolve, and then I'm going to go in with 1 cup of dry flour, and I'm using all-purpose flour for this. I'm using my dough hook to help me bring this together. You can use a fork or you can use a spoon or even your hands. Once it comes together, you're going to go in with half a cup of dry flour again and continue to bring that together. In total, we're going to be using 2 cups of flour. Once it starts to come together like this, it's still pretty soft, so we'll go ahead and add in that last cup or half a cup of dry flour. Using your fingers, we're going to go in and knead that half a cup into the dough. Once it comes together, it's nice, soft and pliable. We're going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil over the dough. Take your hands and rub that over the dough so it doesn't form a skin. Cover with a plastic wrap and set aside for 10 minutes. Next, to season the shrimp. So here I have the shrimp already cleaned and deveined, and I'm going in with some all-purpose seasoning. You can add some green seasoning to this if you like. Mix and set aside until the dough is ready. Now let's roll out the dough. So flour your surface and open out that dough. Make sure you flour it well so it doesn't stick, and then you want to roll this out to about 1/4 inch thickness, or unless you like it thinner or thicker, just roll it out. Just make sure it will be able to fit on your pizza pan. Place the dough or the rolled dough onto the pizza pan, and next we're going to go with some tomato sauce. I'm brushing some tomato sauce over this. Now I'm using the Hunt's tomato sauce. It's a very small tin and it's flavored with basil and garlic and some other flavors. So pick whichever you like. Now I'm going to go on there with some cheese, and I like using a Monterey Jack cheese. You can use mozzarella. Go in with some chopped sweet peppers or bell peppers, some chopped onions, some chopped tomatoes. I'm going in with some green sweet pepper or bell pepper, some sliced canned mushrooms, or you can use fresh, and I'm going to put in or nestle in those shrimp. You want to place them evenly along the pizza. Now I'm leaving them whole, but if you wanted to, of course, you can chop them up. Next, cover with cheese, and this bakes in your oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. Once it's finished, you can go ahead and slice it and enjoy. This was really delicious, guys, and I'm sure you can try it with scallops or squid, any type of seafood you would like. To finish this, I'm just going to dust some dried sweet basil over the top. While it's hot, you can use some dried parsley if you like, or oregano. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it, let me know down below if you like it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy!